Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Verasity here on the daily time frame. As always, please do like and subscribe, really appreciate all your support. We can see here with Bitcoin going up and making a new local high, I should say, not a new all-time high, goodness me. A new local high up at around 35k right now, which is absolutely crazy, isn't it? We can see that Verasity has essentially, broken out of that descending wedge that we were in for a good while a few weeks ago. Kind of been coiling up since then and now looking like it wants to come up and make another local high. Has had a bit of a pump and a bit of a correction today, as we can see here, but really I am still looking for that that breakout target. As you can see here, back here we had this breakout of the bear market resistance coming down, basically making this big descending wedge, and we do still have this technical target up here of around 2 cents at that 618 Fibonacci, which I do think will probably get hit fairly soon. A nice little 3.5 4x from the current price, which would be good to see. But overall I think Verasity is doing extremely well. Overall it's doing everything that it needs to do, and in reality looking like it could be gearing up for a very nice run for the rest of the year and going into the Bitcoin halving next year, depending on what Bitcoin does obviously. But right now the market's looking pretty damn nice, to be honest, and I don't think Verasity is any exception to this. Probably going to do extremely well in the long term. If we do end up heading up in 2025 up towards the top of this channel that we have been in for God knows how long now, we could be looking at heading up towards that $1 level, which would be obviously absolutely ridiculous for Verasity. So as always, we will see what happens next, but I do think Verasity is going to do very well. We've got all the signs at the minute that something is brewing quite nicely for it. A little look at the hourly time frame will show you what's been happening in the very local area. As you can see, a clear breakout here based on some nice bullish tokenomics news for Verasity, getting a nice little update, a nice decent correction back down into this area of structure and support, a double back test, and then really we were getting stuck under this Fibonacci level. But now today, with the bullishness that we've seen with Bitcoin, we have seen Verasity breaking up again, looking to take out that high again up here if we can reach it at around 1/7%, and basically heading up back towards that 1 cent level, which was a key area of resistance before here, and then beyond back up into bull market territory if we get above that next swing high, basically making macro higher highs and higher lows heading up through the Fibonacci levels. So very bullish, very excited to see what happens next. As always, really appreciate all your support and checking the videos out. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, really helps out the channel as always. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think is going to happen next, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.